Go.
Hi, my name is Lola, and I am going to do an Elephant and Piggy book. And the author is by Mo Williams. The title is I am invited to a party.
Good job.
I am invited to a party.
She can't say that word. What is it again? Gerald?
Gerald.
Gerald.
Gerald. Look. I am invited to a party. Cool. It is cool.
Cool.
Will you go with me? I have never been to a party.
Good job, Lo.
I will go with you. I know parties. Party. What if it is a fun
Fancy
party? We must be where.
Sound it out. Red, and then there's a D at the end. Yep, there you go.
We must be ready.
All right, I'm going to turn this off.
No.
Okay, go ahead. I think the battery's going to die, so go ahead.
What's this word?
You've said it before. Sound it out.
I can't.
You're not even looking at the book, though. Try it again. Look. You said it before on all these other pages.
I can't see any. They're not.
All right, look it. Sound it out. Real. And then the Y. All right, say goodbye.
Bye.